After I told you about the Ask a Lawyer program last week, the Southern Nevada Senior Law Program told me their office and the 5 community centers participating in the program all started receiving calls from our Valley seniors wanting to make appointments for that program. So I went back to the nonprofit to get a better understanding of the most common issues they're hearing about from our local seniors and how they're helping their clients resolve them.
Several years ago, I started thinking about the need to do a will to make it as easy as possible for my son to handle all the legal ramifications of death.
Cheryl Kolang is one of the thousands of seniors who's received help from the Southern Nevada Senior Law Program.
An attorney or a staff member gives you the basics of everything that's involved in end-of-life paperwork. Everything was finished, so now I can relax and know that my son doesn't even need to consult anyone. It's all finished.
The nonprofit provides free civil legal services to community members 60 and older, saving seniors hundreds and sometimes thousands of dollars. And that help is sorely needed. Executive Director Diane Farron says that between 2010 and 2020, the senior population in Nevada increased by more than 40%. And that's a big demographic needing access to specialized services like what the Law Center offers.
We don't income qualify. What that allows us to do is render our legal services at no cost to that estimated 35 to 40% of seniors who are on a tight fixed income.
After my report last week on the Senior Law Program's new Ask a Lawyer program, their office received at least a dozen phone calls and online inquiries. So I went back to the nonprofit for a better understanding of some of the most common issues they're hearing about from our Valley seniors. What would you say are the top 3 legal issues that you're hearing most from seniors?
Estate planning is our bigger one, and then consumer disputes and elder exploitation.
I asked Supervising Attorney Chelsea Crowton, who's been to each Ask a Lawyer program event since they began earlier this month, about the best way to go about handling these issues.
When it comes to estate planning, they should know what their assets are and who they want to leave it to. We also need the full legal names of any and all heirs and basic contact information, telephone numbers. If someone's in an accident and you're rushed to the hospital, we have the ability to register that with the Secretary of State, but they need a phone number to call. Elder abuse and exploitation, when it comes to that area, if they come and see us for an Ask a Lawyer, we want to know what the scope of the exploitation is. Do they know who it is? And if there's been any signed, executed documents giving that person any authority over the life, whether it's access to bank accounts, powers of attorney, we need to know that. For any merchant dispute, what we want is any contracts that existed, full contact information for any company or individual. So whatever they have and however they paid, whether it's check, money order, we just need proof of that.
Crowton adds that with the senior population in our valley increasing, the need for these legal services has also grown. The goal of the Ask a Lawyer program is to bring more of those services directly to all seniors.
I'm hoping we get more and more people, and we do this every year, because the more people we can help in the senior community, the better.
If you're looking to take advantage of the Ask a Lawyer program, appointments are required. Southern Nevada Senior Law Program encourages you to schedule an appointment by contacting your local center's program coordinator. They also provide free in-person legal services at their offices on Sahara, and you can book appointments with attorneys on the phone or through Zoom. For more information on the services they provide, you can visit their website at snslp.org. In the studio, I'm Anissa Bohannon.